today's video, we are going to be looking at the SF-550 electronic compact scale. Is this scale even worth buying? Does it really work? And would I purchase it again? Let's go find out. So here we go, guys. We are looking at the SF-550 electronic compact scale. This is a handy little scale that I purchased on eBay approximately 9 months ago. It was really inexpensive. It cost me all of about $15. Let's look a little closer at some of the buttons. Here we have the on and off switch. Takes just seconds to turn on. And here it's showing in pounds and ounces, but you can go into different modes and show kilograms and grams, kilograms. We have grams, pounds, ounces, and back to pounds and ounces. Another button on the scale is the tare button. The tare button basically takes you to 0. Now, since we had something on top of the scale, once we moved it, it did show it in a negative. And it's showing here that it was 53 grams. Now, once we pressed tare again, it cleared it out and took it back to 0. And using tare is just an easier way and a less time-consuming way to continue to weigh multiple packages or products without having to turn the scale on and off every single time. Another fun feature about tare is if you have something that's kind of big, a big package, or obstructing the screen, you can always press tare even if it's covered. And like I showed before, it will show it in the negative, but it will give you the correct weight of the package. Here I'm placing another item on the scale. It's giving me an amount here in pounds and ounces, but I can go ahead and keep pressing the mode button and getting it in different weights such as ounces, grams, kilograms, etc., while still keeping the item on top of the scale without having to remove it. So that's kind of a nice feature as well. Here you see another button, PCS, which I'm assuming means pieces. I can't really say much about this button. I never use it, but I'm assuming it's for small little pieces if you're doing multiple quantities. I'm not really sure. Another feature, it does have power cord capability. However, I really like to use batteries because many times I'm moving the scale around. It is not always in the same place. So I do like to use the batteries. And it takes 2 AA batteries. I've had this scale for 9 months. I think maybe I've changed the batteries once. Now it is stationary. This top part does not lift. I know sometimes when you are weighing envelopes, you want that lift in the back. However, this particular scale does not have that option. Something I absolutely love about this little scale is it is small but powerful. It actually can weigh up to 55 pounds. That is really good for a small scale. I have had scales that cannot even weigh more than 5 pounds at a time. So that is a lovely feature. So the question of the hour is, would I purchase the SF-550 electric compact scale again? And the answer is yes, I absolutely would. This was a fantastic little scale, perfect for the money. It was very inexpensive, did everything I absolutely needed, and I was very happy with the product. I can honestly say that I have used this efficient compact scale on almost a daily basis for the last 9 months. And when I say almost a daily basis, I mean packing anywhere from 30 to 60 orders a day, 5 to 7 days a week. And this scale has been very, very reliable. It has not let me down even once. It didn't use up a lot of batteries. It's not one of these scales that takes a really long time to kind of warm up and get started so you can start weighing things. It's quick, it's efficient, and it does exactly what I need it to do. And there you have it. That is my honest review on this handy SF-550 electronic compact scale. If you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and even comment. Remember, things are not cheap. We as consumers need to know what we're getting into before we just go off buying products. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.